Is it the right time to buy or sell Heron Therapeutics stock? In this video, we'll be diving deep into Heron Therapeutics. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 15, 2023, our system has ranked Heron Therapeutics as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 6.31. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 211.63% since we first listed Heron Therapeutics as a buy candidate 48 days ago. This means an average return of 4.41% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong and wide short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. In the event of any pullback, there is now support at the previous trend high of $2.43, which could present a second opportunity for a potential increase in value. According to fan theory, the next possible level of resistance is projected at $2.83, which may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential forecasted change of 346.5% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 236.99% and 304.52%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is an expected change of -30.70% over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -91.93% and -30.70%. This suggests a price range of $0.216 to $1.86 after 1 year. Our latest update for Heron Therapeutics brings good news. The stock gained 2.49% on Thursday, January 25, 2024. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $2.54 and a high of $2.76, with a final price of $2.68. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 20.45% gain in the stock price. However, it's important to note that the volume of shares traded decreased by 11 million on the last day, which could indicate potential changes in the near future. Looking at the stock's performance over the past year, the highest price reached was $3.36, while the lowest was $0.500. Currently, the stock is 20.24% below its 52-week high, with a difference of $0.680. It is also 93.75% below its all-time high of $42.90, which was recorded on June 25, 2018. Analyst ratings. In exciting news, on Wednesday, November 15, 2023, the renowned investment firm Needham gave HRTX a glowing buy grade with a promising hold action. Analysts have recently assessed the stock of Heron Therapeutics and have given it a general rating of neutral. They have specifically rated the PE ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of sell. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Heron Therapeutics. We have mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Heron Therapeutics stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which gives us a positive forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, we can expect support from the lines at $2.32 and $1.89. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 396.3%. we can anticipate further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advised to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you may find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 49 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 98 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, there was a buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, there was a buy signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 46 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average, there was a buy signal 49 days ago. The long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 46 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 31 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Here's what you need to know about support, risk, and stop-loss for Heron Therapeutics. Heron Therapeutics has found support from accumulated volume at $2.62. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. However, it's important to note that this stock tends to have high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a very large prediction interval for this stock, classifying it as very high risk. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $0.220, representing a 8.66% difference between the highest and lowest price. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 10.42%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Heron Therapeutics, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, consistent negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now, turning to the latest news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates project earnings of $0.140. These figures can significantly impact stock prices, so it's worth keeping an eye on them. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Heron Therapeutics. When analyzing the stock's accumulated volume, we find no significant resistance above. This suggests that, under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it would be wise to enter a position and monitor the volume to determine the ideal exit point. On the downside, Heron Therapeutics encounters its first support level at $2.62. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The average rating for Heron Therapeutics from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 19, 2024, Christian Waj made an insider buy of 83,685 shares of stock option, right to buy. On January 19, 2024, Christian Waj also conducted an insider buy of 13,948 shares of common stock. Similarly, on January 19, 2024, Rodriguez Susan purchased 83,685 shares of stock option, right to buy. Rodriguez Susan also conducted an insider buy of 13,948 shares of common stock on the same day. Additionally, on January 19, 2024, Morgan Adam made an insider buy of 83,685 shares of stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be positive at 97.927. Overall, insiders have purchased a total of 19,119,337 shares and sold 108,672 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $2.60, which represents a decrease of 2.94%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which inherently comes with higher risk. Additionally, the RSI 14, which measures the stock's relative strength, is currently at 78, further increasing the risk involved. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 48 days ago, indicating a potential upward trend. Is Heron Therapeutics stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals for Heron Therapeutics stock. Additionally, the stock has broken the rising trend, indicating an even stronger rate of growth. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short-term period. However, it's important to note that our systems have detected that the current price is overvalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Friday, January 26th, we anticipate that Heron Therapeutics will open with a decrease of $0.0200 and start trading at $2.66. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's vital not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In today's video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for this stock? We're always interested in hearing different perspectives. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.